Hi guys, this is Mir from Passive Income. As a profession currently I have been working in a leading e-commerce company since 2018 and I have been connected to the print-on-demand platform since 2015. So from my experience, I want to share some tips and tricks with you guys and I think it could be very much helpful in your print-on-demand journey. Well, I'm going to share today how you can research your design, like what kind of design will be suitable for a specific niche or for overall a platform like Redbubble, TeePublic, Threadless, etc. I follow this method in my own POD journey that I'm going to share today. Please don't just skip the video and watch every second, because in between I will share some more tips and tricks which you definitely need. I can bet these methods can change your whole print-on-demand journey. Let's jump to the topic now. I know when you invest a lot of time in your design but you are not getting the sales, really it is too much frustrating and I can feel you guys. Believe me, I also went through this kind of frustration and then I figured out my way. You can also overcome this and really it's not rocket science. Before doing my design for the print-on-demand platform, I divide my research in 3 different steps. And today I'm sharing those 3 steps. Please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any video and I will hack the solution for your every struggle in print-on-demand platform. Now step number 1. Design type. Print-on-demand design can be graphical or text-based only or graphic plus text-based. If I visit Redbubble and then click for best-selling designs, it will show all of their best-selling designs over time. Here you can see there are a lot of designs which are text-based, graphic or graphic plus text-based. Now I'm going to select a specific niche and suppose it's dog. Then I'm choosing best-selling designs. Now on the first page there are all types of design which I have mentioned and these are all the best-selling designs for this platform under dog niche. I counted number for you guys for every design type. And the total number of text-based designs is 5. For graphic it is 49. And for graphic plus text, it is 53. So here I can see graphic plus text based design is greater than other types. Then I will go for TeePublic and Threadless and I will do the same thing again. Done. I took all the counts for 3 different marketplaces for the same niches and wrote it down in this table. Here I can see for Redbubble and TeePublic, graphic plus text based designs are in greater numbers than others. But for Threadless, graphic based designs are. So I can decide for the specific niche my design should be graphic plus text based design. Before going to step number 2, I want to ask you a question. Usually, how many colors do you use for your print-on-demand designs? Or how many colors should you use? Okay, I will answer this question just after sharing all 3 steps. Now, step number 2 is design shape. And again, I will look at those 3 platforms and try to figure out the type of design shape which are being sold the most. Okay, after exploring those 3 platforms for their best-selling designs under dog niche, I found these design shapes for graphic plus text-based design type. Here I can see there are some specific shapes for graphic plus text-based designs and they are very much pretty common and these are selling best. I can use any of them or I can select based on what my design idea demands. So till now, I got the idea, which is graphics plus text-based plus the selected design shape. Then I will go for step number 3. Step number 3 is graphic element. In this step, I will look for how many graphic elements were used along with the text in the best-selling designs. After exploring all 3 platforms, I came to a conclusion that is 1 to 3 graphic elements was the best for best-selling designs. So it will be good to maintain this number in my next design. Now finally I got the outline about my design under dog niche and that is graphic plus text base plus the selected design shape plus 1 to 3 graphic elements. Based on this outline, I will generate my new design idea and then create it. This video was about finding the design outline under the dog niche for best-selling designs. It was not about what design I will create. If you guys want to know how I can do further research to generate my new design idea and then create a specific design on this outline, then let me know in this video comment section. And for sure, I will publish another video for you guys. Now for the question, what should be the answer? Well, I personally use maximum 2 to 3 colors for my designs and really those are selling well. You can also try this and find out the result. Or if you have any other opinion on this, please let us know in the comment section so that we can learn together. You know, sharing is caring. Love you guys and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you appreciate me or want to see more better content from this channel.